lamdam asigi miyam maru oina naha singna chang naina piduna miyoibagi punshi kaya kanbada achauba thodang lobiyu haina RIMS Imphal gi Director Professor G Sunil Kumar Sarmana appeal tawrakli. Regional Institute of Medical Science RIMS Imphal gi Department of Transfusion Medicine na State Blood Transfusion Council Manipur ga khutsam naduna ngasi World Blood Donor Day English ngani kunge taruki Palan Thouram RIMS Imphal gi OPD complex ta Pangthoknari Malem gi oina thamliba one drop of humanity give blood save life haiba wakalon asigi makada pangthokiba Palan Thouram aduda saruk yaraduna Director Professor G Sunil Kumar Sarmana phongdokibada unit khudingna anaba miyoi kayagi punshi kanba ngamlibani lamdam asigi miyam maru oina naha singna mang thana thoraktuna chang naina piduna miyam punshi kanbada achauba thodang lobiyu piduna miyoi bagi punshi kanba haibasi miyoi pokta khwaidagi chauraba khudolni haiki Thouram gi manung chana Department of Transfusion Medicine Voluntary Blood Donation Camp Pangthoki amadi miyoi chamana piki kat kiba miyoi singda Certificate of Appreciation su piki.
Anyone who is above 18 years and is a crime once in over 15 minutes because we are another than never acceptable. Magi weighing 45 to 50 kg. Your here, Yamla Masalo is here. Hemoglobin is 12.5%. Sigi, you will have a condition. Other than lying, Elena Punjira, you can after divisions like. Anyone can donate blood. Blood donate to fee, but not the right and Amukita already addiction to Aduga benefits of blood transfusion say for Yamani Haji Government of India Ministry of Health and Family Welfare blood banking website. Blood course and Aduga website next what are the benefits of blood donation? Donor have to point